Hello, my name is Max. This is Entrepreneur. I'm going to take a step back from live streaming. I usually do live streams where I build cool little ideas, but I want to try just filming it ahead of time and maybe compiling it into a little bit more of a cohesive thing, right? So it's a bit more informational, it's a bit more compact. But the point is, today we're going to be building a thing. I'm going to build a t-shirt site called redflagtees.com. I already bought the domain. We're gonna be walking through that whole project. I'm gonna build the whole thing. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna be goofing off while I do it. Hopefully it's interesting, entertaining, whatever. If you have any questions about how I'm building anything, leave them in the comments below. The reason that I'm building red flag tees is because I was on TikTok. This is a common trend right now. Everybody like this will post that they are having a red flag party. And a red flag party is basically where is too honest, for instance, right? You wear a red shirt, and on that red shirt, you say, I can't even, dated a felon? Is that what that says? So it's stuff like that, right? A red flag is like a thing you need to avoid in a relationship, something along those lines. So I thought, people make their own typically, but what if I made a website just for red flag t-shirts, right? There should be a way that I can do that super cheaply. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna advertise it on TikTok and see if people care. I'm gonna build it on webflow.com. That's where I'm gonna be building the site. I'm gonna use Printful, which is a back-end little service that will basically print and then drop ship anything physical. So shirts is one of those things. It's really good at shirts. And then I was using Pixlr.com to do a little bit of photo editing and digital like design stuffs. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna use their little store starter template. It's gonna be red flag tees. I don't want to have like a products page. I want the front page to be the products page, so I'm gonna go over to the navigation items. I'm gonna delete this one. About, I don't really feel like I need an about or a contact. I want SEO to be involved in this, and SEO is search engine optimization, so I want people to be able to find this when I look at, red flag tees on Google, right? Maybe when I look this up, maybe I want to be found, right? And I want red flag deals to show up. I want red flag tees to show up, right? And in order for me to show up on Google, I would need to write like a blog on the back end. I would need to write a bunch of blog articles about red flag t-shirts. With you, confidence is hot. Exit. I'm gonna make this collection wrapper. This, I'm gonna make it into a, what is that, a grid. The width is only 33%. It's gonna be auto. And now it's just gone. That's fine. The images are gonna be auto-generated from Printful because we need to make a, I'm gonna go to stores on Printful. Red flag tees. Store. Cool, now we have this. So now I can integrate it again, redo it from scratch, because that's what we're doing. We're going to build the products, but first we're going to integrate the store. Import stuff from Printful to the store. All I need to do is connect it to Webflow, and then boom, we have the integration. Red flag tees, authorized application. And the title tag will be suggested tag shirts. Description, we'll do all that kind of stuff later. It doesn't really matter. Change this into the bit. This about page will later be the suggestions page. Actually, no, you know what? I don't even want a suggestions page. No, fuck it. I'm just gonna link it to a Jotform. F it. Now I'm designing this shirt, and I need to pick red. Yeah. Unironically likes Glee. Excellent. The center button. That's great. I love it. Go to FontJoy. Fontjoy.com. Fontjoy.com is a wonderful little thing to find wonderful fonts. I'm trying to make it simple. Montserrat honestly looks pretty good. I like Montserrat actually. Kill me. What's going on? Oh my god. End my freaking life. Oh, now it's changing. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Why is it? It's tilted now. Fuck it. Can't emotionally handle this. Are you kidding me? Go edit everything else that I'm about to do again out because I need to go and I need to make a template first. And I need to do I made a template. I went back and I made a template. Now you can cut back in. Okay, here we are. Got it running. Everything's good.
Look the category.
Okay, here's where we set the prices. I make $5 per shirt. Oh no, this is 5%. Dollars. I'll make $5 per shirt. I'm gonna add like 4 more of these and then we'll come right back. Because it says they've synced with Webflow. Hopefully that means the prices and everything are all in there. The image, the product image, should theoretically be, so we have products in here. Products. Come on. Come on. Come on, please. Work. Ooh, hey, look at that. It's coming in. It's coming in. They're showing up. They're showing up. This is all shit that you can cut out until I actually make progress. Ah! Cool. So now we have this. This looks fine. It's a little loose. But let's check if it actually functions. So my initial concern, and the reason that I had problems in the last one, is because when the actual product template page has a Finsta. Okay, great. It's sustenance uncomfortable. Mentions. I don't need this bit. I don't need this bit. This list bit can delete. Information can go away. But just automatically selects the size. Oh! Okay, that's beautiful. So this actually might just work now. Checkout is all built for me. Oh my god, it even has different types of shipping. God, that's so easy. That's so easy. All of this. Ah! I think that's basically it. I think it's literally just completed. I just had to futz with a few different little things. It has Apple Pay, it has PayPal, everything's good. You can add things to your cart. It's not just like one and done. Very, very basic, but it looks excellent. Let's check it on the other formats. Aha! So fix it here. Definitely need to fix it here. The suggestions should link somewhere. Suggestions should link to maybe a little separate box. Well, it's going to be in a new tab, and it's going to be a Jotform. So I don't need to design anything else, so I'm just going to go to Jotform. Create a form. Start from scratch, classic form. I'm going to add in just some long text. I'm going to make this really simple. What is your suggestion? Love it. Done. Publish. Copy the link. External URL. Boom. We need to make it suck less. So, the logo link, navigation items generally, we're going to make sure that background is transparent. Ah! For me. Cut this out, please. Probably only want to have one at a time, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to delete this column, and then I'm going to expand this to much bigger. There we are. Anything messed up? Nope. Shit looks great. Okay, so I think this is done. It's chilling, rolling through. Looks great. Talks about crypto. Really funny. Oh my god, thinks Pete Evans is hot. So funny. Select the size. It's a small. Quantity, I want 1. Add to cart. Adding to the cart. Continue to checkout. Oh, wait. I could change this. This looks a little bit bad. That pop-up kind of sucked. Added to cart. And now it's all gray. You see all this grayness? I don't like the grayness. I think it's done. I'm going to go pay for it. I'm going to go add like an actual e-commerce plan to my Webflow setup here. And I'm going to do a bunch of the back-end bullshit like connect to my bank, stuff like that, right? And it should be good to go. Like I just follow the information on this little e-commerce setup guide right here. Review currency settings, add a business address, tax settings, all this stuff, add a shipping method. I'm only going to ship it to the United States for now. But yeah, cool. I'll get back to you in just a second once I've attached all the bullshit. Spider, and it's being super slow now. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah. Adding a payment provider with Stripe. Stripe is a really cool online platform that lets you accept and send payment, but it's basically directly with everything else on the internet, and it's really cool and whatever. You can cut this part out, Joe, by the way. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Don't revolt. I think we're done. We've fixed all the little elements. We've added a suggestion box. We have like little bits in here. Everything looks good. We've made it like function well in all different formats. I added all of the e-commerce bits here. So in the setup guide, I went through all these little to-do items, and the e-commerce store is now fully ready and set up for business, right? And I can add discounts, I can add all sorts of different things. I can do whatever. Everything is clean, wonderful. The only thing that's left to do, because Red Flag Tees, I connected the domain name, but it's not loaded yet because it redirected too many times, and that I'm assuming that means that the DNS hasn't set up yet, so I'm going to give it like an hour. But everything seems ready. But I'm going to go, and I'm going to add all these different ideas that I have. I have like a ton of different things. Calls himself an entrepreneur, posts on TikTok every day, another one that I have. Like I have like, I don't know, like 100 of these. Probably not 100. Well, maybe like 100. No, it's probably like 50 or 60. I'm going to add all these in to Printful as products like we did with those initial first 5. And by then, hopefully the DNS will be working and we'll have a whole bunch of different options on our site, right? Awesome. Yeehaw, sweetness. I love it. You love it too. I'm going to go do that. I have been adding a ton of them. Added all of these. It's so boring. I'm bored. We're done. I have about half of them in. I'll add more. Everything is basically ready. The website still isn't up yet, which is a shame because I really wanted to show what it would look like, but we can scroll down infinitely and see all these different things. Can't cook pasta, does SoulCycle, does CrossFit, does parkour, hates chocolate, hates cheese, posts on TikTok every day, calls themselves an entrepreneur, likes milk, etc. We have a ton of options here. It's all ready. I'm publishing. We're done. But cool. Yeehaw. We did it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I will answer basically everything. Unless this video gets like 1 million views, I'm going to answer every single comment that I can. I would love to also know if you like this format. Like if this is good, if this is helpful, everything. Because I will probably make a few more of these videos and maybe they do well, right? Maybe they're more informational, maybe they're more interesting than live streams. I don't know. Build something else next time. See you later.